welcome to Cheer Foods. I'm a baby chef Nehitha. Today my mama going to show potato smileys. Let's start the recipe. Take a bowl, add some boiled potato. Now add some red crumbs. Now add some corn flour. Now we're gonna add some chili flakes. Now add some pepper powder. Now I'm adding some salt. The chili powder optional. Everything combined well, non-sticky dough. If you require, add some corn flour. Keep in fridge for 10 minutes. Take portion of dough, pat evenly. Take a mold, cut into round shapes. Now we are removing extra dough. Now we got perfect rounds. Take straw, help us make a ice. With the help of spoon, make a smile. Now our smileys are ready to fry. Now we're adding oil for deep fry. Add one by one smileys into the oil. After 5 minutes, slowly turns color. Now our smileys turns golden brown color. Take it into paper napkin plate. Hey, our smileys is ready. Now let's go to serving. I hope you know how to make smileys in your home. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Cheer Foods. Bye bye friends. See you in the next video. Have a good day.